Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at two metrics that work as a pair, order book plus 2% and order book minus 2%. These tell you what's standing between the current price and a 2% move in either direction. And the color coding on these two is really clever once you understand the logic. So let's break it down. On every exchange there is an order book, a list of all pending buy and sell orders at different price. The order book plus 2% adds up all the sell orders sitting within 2% above the current price across every centralized and decentralized exchange. That total represents the wall of sell orders that is preventing the price from going up. The order book minus the 2% does the opposite. It adds up all the buy orders sitting within 2% below the current price, and that total represents the wall of buy orders protecting the price from falling. So minus 2% is the support below, plus 2% is the resistance above. Now here's how the colors work, because CryptoScores compares every project against each other. For the plus 2%, the sell wall, red means there is a massive amount of sell orders above the current price compared to other projects, a heavy barrier blocking the price from going up. Green, at the contrary, means the sell wall is small, there is very little resistance above, the price has room to move up freely. Transparent means it's average, so nothing special. For the minus 2%, the buy wall, green means there is a strong buy support below the current price compared to other projects, a solid safety net protecting from a drop. Red, at the contrary, means the buy wall is clearly weak and not much is preventing the price from correcting downward. Transparent, indeed, is average, in line with the rest of the market. So let's take a look at Chainlink. If we go to liquidity, we can see the liquidity score is pretty good, 89 over 100, and if you check the order book, clearly red for the order book plus 2% and clearly green for the order book of minus 2%. So that means that there is a heavy sell wall above, a lot of resistance blocking the price from climbing, and the order book minus 2% is in green, so there is a strong buy support below, well protected from a drop. So what does this tell you? Chainlink's price is sitting on a solid foundation of buyers, but faces heavy selling pressure above, protecting on the downside, but it will take effort to break through the higher levels. Now, as a counterexample, we could take Harvey with a liquidity score almost perfect, 99 over 100, and when we go check on the order book for the plus 2 or the minus 2%, we can see it is transparent. That means the order book depth on both sides sits right in the average compared to other projects. No exceptional pressure in either direction, balanced, normal conditions. So when you look at both numbers together, you are reading the balance of power around the current price. Plus 2% red and minus 2% green, like Chainlink for the example that we took, means heavy resistance above but strong protection below. The price is held down but well supported too. Plus 2% green and minus 2% red, the opposite, and not much blocking the price from rising but not much catching it if it falls either. More room to move up but more risk on the downside too. Both transparent, balanced, average conditions on both sides. And keep in mind, these are snapshots. Order books change constantly, but as a quick read of the current market structure around the token, these two metrics are incredibly useful. And as always, remember, CryptoScores gives you the aggregated view across all platforms. You go verify the details. Order book plus 2 and minus 2%, the walls above and below the price. Now you know how to read them, so check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.